Why do some common acronyms have surprising histories? Imagine calling a device by a word that once stood for a long phrase. That's what happens with acronyms. They start as abbreviations but often become words we use every day. Some acronyms have stories behind them that might surprise you. Let's look at how acronyms form. They begin as initials from a phrase, like NASA for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Over time, people start using the acronym as a regular word. This process is part of how words evolve and change shape in language. Many acronyms are tied to the people or ideas they representing. For example, the name IKEA comes from the initials of its founder, Ingvar Kamprad, and the farm and village where he grew up. The candy M&M's gets its name from the surnames of its creators, Mars and Murray. These acronyms are personal, showing the history behind the brands. Some acronyms are playful or clever. Yahoo was originally a funny phrase, yet another hierarchical officious oracle. The creators wanted a name that sounded fun and memorable. The word Yahoo also means someone who is rude or unsophisticated, adding a humorous twist. Other acronyms come from scientific or technical origins. The word laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It's a fancy way of describing a device that makes very focused light. Radar comes from radio detection and ranging, which is a way to find objects using radio waves. These acronyms make complex ideas easier to talk about. Sometimes, creators make acronyms that sound like real words. CAPTCHA is an example. It stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. The goal was to make it easy to remember, so they made it sound like capture. It's used online to check if someone is a real person. Acronyms can also reflect history or politics. The name Pakistan was made from parts of regions in British India, Punjab, Afghania, Kashmir, Sindh, and Baluchistan. When you hear the country's name today, you might not realize it's an acronym with a story behind it. Some acronyms become words on their own. Scuba, which means self-contained underwater breathing apparatus, is now a common word. Many people don't know it started as an acronym. The same goes for ZIP, from Zone Improvement Plan, which is now just a word for fast movement or compression. Knowing the stories behind acronyms helps us understand how language changes. When you hear a new acronym, try to find out where it came from. You might discover a surprising story that connects words to history, science, or clever ideas. Acronyms are more than just abbreviations. They are part of how language grows and evolves over time.